Hello, today I'm going to provide you with a summary of the Waterloo Region housing market stats for April of 2021. While it's still a hot seller's market, we're just starting to see some signs that the market might be cooling down. Let's take a look at some of the key metrics. Median sales price was $710,000, which is up by 36.5%. Median days on market was 7 days, which is down by 7 days. The total number of sales was 1,204, which is up by 233.5%, and the total number of listings was 1,546, which is up by 143.4%. Median sales price is up considerably from April of 2020, but an interesting thing to note is that prices are down by just over 1% since last month. It's also important to note that sales and listings figures are skewed by what happened in April of 2020. That was the first full month of the pandemic when real estate and pretty much the economy in general was essentially put on pause as a result of the first lockdown. And there were very few new listings and new sales in April of 2020. I'm happy to see that new listings are starting to outpace sales. This is an important stat that may result in a more balanced market with less bidding wars on homes. We all know that buyers could use a break right now and be awarded a better chance of actually getting the home that they put an offer on. If you have any questions at all about the market, or you're thinking about buying or selling in the near future, please feel free to reach out to me. Thanks and have a great day.